Welcome to YeFlow's official workflow tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to use YeFlow's NFC Reader action to quickly read data and automate workflows through NFC tag scanning. First, open your Asset Inventory form in the Form Designer. Click the Action button at the top right and choose Add a Step. From the list, select NFC Reader. This action allows users to read NFC tags using NFC-enabled devices and save the scanned results for later display or automation. In the NFC Reader settings panel on the right, you can configure different execution rules and reading modes according to your needs. Under Tag Type Filter, the default value is NDEF, NFC Data Exchange Format, the most common NFC data format. In the Execute Result section, you can configure what happens after reading. In Save the scanned value to a variable, choose a variable from the drop-down to store the data read from the tag. For example, this could be a product number, equipment code, or order number. You can also click Variables in the top navigation to create a new variable dedicated to storing scanned results. Then, under Save the tag ID to a variable, choose another variable to store the NFC tag's unique identifier, tag ID. This hardware-generated ID can be used to verify or identify specific items in your system. In OnRead Error, set what should happen if the reading fails. Stop action. Stop the current action. Continue to next step. Move on to the next step. Finally, in Error Message, bind a variable to store any error message returned by the system or display it directly to the user. To let users perform NFC scanning directly from the form, bind the NFC Reader action to a button. In the Buttons property panel on the right, locate the action settings. Set Execute Type to Action, and under Action, choose the NFC Reader action you just created. Now when users tap the button, the system will automatically trigger NFC scanning and save the tag data into a variable for later use. Now we'll demonstrate which fields appear after scanning and how to link them correctly. Add a collection component and set the data source to your data list. Your data list may include fields such as TAGI, item ID, name, spec, supplier unit, status, and bin time. Decide which scanned value should be used for filtering. If the data list identifies items by NFC tag ID, use the variable from Save the tag ID to a variable and match it with the tag ID field. If the NFC tag stores business data, EIG, product number, asset code, work order, use the variable from Save the scanned value to a variable and match it with the corresponding field in your data list, such as item ID or asset code. Bind the display fields in the collection. Assign name, item IDs, and details. This clearly shows which information appears after a successful scan and displays the corresponding record filtered by the data filter condition in the data list. Open the form on a mobile device with NFC capability. When you tap an NFC tag, YeFlow will instantly read the tag's content or tag ID and automatically display the corresponding data in the form. You can also configure the workflow to continuously recognize and record multiple items to improve efficiency. That's it. You've learned how to use YeFlow's NFC Reader action to seamlessly connect physical tags with digital workflows, making your form smarter and more efficient.